Here's
Be
Grandpa
nice.
Bill Stetson with Zoe's babies. What color ribbon is that?
Black.
Black boy. Well, that's a lot of love. Kisses.
Want to get another one? Let's do green.
Can you give kisses?
Here's green, please.
Here's green. Green puppy. That's a girl puppy. Green girl.
Okay. You want to try purple
Blue.
or blue?
Oh, is
whatever
that
it
blue?
says? Blue.
Blue boy. Give puppy
Blue.
kisses.
Hold on, we'll get her in a minute. Say hi to Blue.
Hi, Blue.
Hi, Blue.
Kisses.
It'll be nice when you come down.
Oh, that was a nice kiss.
And pink.
That's really lavender, but you can call
Whatever.
it pink. Lavender girl. Kisses. One more kiss. Are we done? Are we all done with puppies?
I'll fix it.
Your shoo came off? Where's the babies? Where's the puppy babies? Right here by your feet? They're getting big. Their eyes are open.
Where you going?
They're walking pretty good. That's a lion. Want to give the toy to the puppy? Okay, are we all done? Say bye-bye, puppies. Kiss, easy. Kisses, nice and easy. Good, okay. Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye for now. Bye, love you, puppies. Love the pup. Night-night, puppies. Uh-oh. They're growling. They're feisty. Getting them all riled up. Easy. He's trying to he's trying to do the same thing. You're trying to do like Papa, huh? Okay. We're all done, honey. Let's go. Bye-bye. Night-night.
Let's go.